Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, my Messenger channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natutugyan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of June 20 hanggang June 26 for the sign of Sagittarius. So Sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang mano balik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages, advices sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Sagittarius. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mga hagilap? Sige, alamin na natin yan. Angel spirit, please give me information po. So this is the Nine of Pentacles with the blossoming abundance, no? May paglago at paglawak ng finances dito. Maaaring magkakaroon ka ng financial windfall, guys. Maganda ka dito. Maganda ang unang baraha. So it's all about money, no? So let's see additional messages. And because there's an information with the Seven of Wands, no? You are being protected, no? Protektado ka dito. You are being support, no? With the guidance. And because this is a chart card for taking action. Kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw. Hindi pwedeng tutunga-tunga. Hindi ka pwedeng tatamad-tamad dahil lang swerte at tumikot na sa iyong palad, no? Nasa iyong eksena tong mga kaganapan na to. Maaring magbigay sa iyo ng pasabog at bulabog na ay magiging maganda na ang takbo ng finances mo. And of course, ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit. Let's see. And of course, there is an information with the Nine of Pentacles. So there is a security. No? Maging secure ka about sa finances. No? Wag mo sayangin yung oportunidad. And because this is a page of cup na makinig ka sa intuitions mo. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Yung mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin or may mga bagay na kailangan iwasan, putulin sa sistema mo. And then, of course, there's a Nine of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment. So, may mga bagay na unti-unti na matutupad. Oh my goodness. The Nine of Pentacles represent what? The Knight of Swords. So, this is a success driven. So, maaaring magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances. No? This is something na parang magiging abot kamay mo. Or sinasabi, may tinatawag tayo ng financial windfall. Na maaaring uulanin ka na ng biyaya. The Seven of Wands represent the Queen of Swords. A bigger picture, no? Unti-unti nang lalawak ang yung kaisipan, karunungan, kaalaman, no? Maaring kumaga protektado ka na, kumaga lumalawak na ang iyong finances, lumalawak na rin ang iyong idea, yung knowledge, no? And kasi ang experiences, rather, there's a higher fight for the education, no? Marami kami ng pinagdaanan, itong mga pinagdaanan naman na to, na maaring hanggang ngayon hawak-hawak mo pa, no? Kumbaga ito yung ginagamit mo, no? Para ma-motivate mo yung sarili mo, no? So, let's see what is the Nine of Pentacles. So, Nine of Pentacles represent the King of Swords with something of mental clarity. And because this is stop the pattern. Naputulin mo yung mga bagay na alam mo wala kaugnayan sa'yo. Na nagpapagulo sa sistema mo. Additional messages with the Page of Cups. A Page of Cups represent the temperance for a perfect timing. So, this is a solid foundation, no? This is something, a Page of Cups, na makinig ka sa intuition or inner voice mo. Nadadaling ka para palawakin at patibayin ang iyong pundasyon. The Nine of Cups represent what? So, this is the Ace of Wands for a new beginning. Magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula dito. At bagong pag-asa at mga bagong plano. At magdadala sa ito pagtupad sa pangarap mo. So, let's see what is the Nine of Pentacles and the Nine of Swords. So, this is the Eight of Wands for fast communication and fast movement. And of course, there's something of travel. Maaaring makakapang-ibang bansa ka, ha? Double clarification na maaaring makaalis ka na. So, let's see what is the Seven of Swords and of course, the Queen of Swords. Represent the Eight of Swords. Oh, there's something of toxicities around you. There's a lot of negativities, but you are being protected, no? Napapalibutan ka naman ng toxicity, napapalibutan ka ng negativity dahil ngayon ay protektado ka na. Kasi naliwanagan ka na eh. Kung nag-set ka ng boundaries, no? Nag-ano ka na para basagin ng blockages is a good part na nakapag-action ka na. Kaya pala, there's something taking action. Kaya, kung hindi ka kikilos, hindi ka gagalaw, uulit-ulit yung sistemang ginagalawan mo. No? Kung yung mga mararanasan mo kasi paulit-ulit lang, hindi mo kung hindi ka nag-set ng boundaries at hindi ka naghanda para proteksyonan pangalagaan kung ano man na meron ka. So let's see what is the chart because the Hierophant represent the Ten of Swords. See, there's a backstab. There's a sabotage. No? Maraming sabotahe dyan sa paligid mo. Maraming taong may inggit sa'yo. May mga taong may galit sa'yo. No? And because there's something as separation. No? Kumbaga, kumawala ka sa unhealthy situation. Even sa mga taong hindi makakabuti sa'yo, napakawalan mo. Umalis ka dyan. The Knight of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles because the King of Swords represent the Knight of Cups. So there's an offer, proposal, engagement, and because there's a lot of offer coming in for you, huh? Let's see what is the Page of Cups because the Temperance. So represent the Four of Cups. There's a reevaluate or analyze. So may mga bagay na kailangan pag-isipan, no? Palawakin ang iyong kaisipan. There's something analyzing or something configuring, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na parang kini-clear out ka, no? May mga bagay na parang tinutuklas mo, paano mo papalakasin yung grounds mo. Parang gano'n, nagkakaroon ka na something, an intuition or instinct or something, may tinatawag tayo na parang kutob, no? Or kumbaga malakas yung vibrations mo or visions mo. So let's see what is the Nine of Cups because the Ace of Wands. Represent what? So this is the death card from an ending and a new beginning. No? Tatapusin na yung mga bagay na alam nyo hindi nagsiserve sa'yo. Yung mga bagay na pagtupad sa mga pangarap mo, yung matagal mo tong inasam at matagal mo tong hinintay. So ito na, parating na. So let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome for you is the Four of Swords. So this is something rest, no? Rejuvenate. No? Kailangan mo magpahinga. Kailangan mong bawiin yung lakas mo. At sinasabi dito, there's a Ten of Wands, so something burden. Marami kang obligasyon, marami kang responsibilidad, marami kang pinagdaan, marami kang sakit na naranasan, but eventually, sinasabi sa'yo dito, pakawalan mo, bitawan mo. This is the Ace of Pentacles for a big shot, a big opportunity, and of course, a big money coming in for you. Additional messages for an outcome. So, this is the Five of Pentacles. So, there's something recovery for financial loss, no? Makaka-recover ka na so that because of Magician. So, ibig sabihin, kaya ka minalas, ha? Kaya ka minalas kasi may kakibat to ng black magic involved. No, ginawa ka ng papamalas, but eventually, you are being protected. Kumbaga, maraming tao kasi may inggit sa'yo. Yung mga plano mo sa buhay mo, sinishare mo dun sa tao na yun, hindi mo alam. May lihim palang inggit. Or otherwise, no, there's something as hidden agenda for you, no? Na maaaring, kumbaga, may ginagawa siyang hindi maganda sa'yo, no? Or may mga bagay na parang para malasing ka, gano'n. Additional messages about tayo sa career. So, this is the Emperor, no? Kumbaga, this is a mature and being grounded. Dapat alam mo sa sarili mo about sa business is business, no? And of course, maaaring nangutang to, ng hiram to, kaya to nagkaganto eh, no? And the Three of course is something celebration. Now, this is a third party, either. And because this is a Moon card, no? There's a truth reveal na malalantad mo yung mga bagay na nakatago. Na may mga bagay na malalamang ka. There's a Four of Wands by celebration. Because homecoming. No? There's a family gathering. So it means, kumbaga, kamag-anak or friends mo tong gumawa sa'yo ng eksena. So let's see guys, no? What is the additional message about sa career? About sa career mo, let's see. This is a Money Move Oracle deck for career and money reading, ha? Let's see. And there's a wealth. So, see, pagyayamanin ka talaga, keep up the good works, no? Ituloy-tuloy mo lang. You are moving towards real wealth and prosperity. And there's an expressions, no? Express your creative self. So, palawakin mo yung kaalaman at kakayanan mo. Dahil yan magdadala sa'yo sa tagumpay. And of course, there's a something star power. So, see, step into the spotlight, no? Kumbaga, wag kang matakot, no? Wag kang mangambas. Dahil, kumbaga, nandiyan ka sa stages na kaya ka mo nararanasin lahat ng bagay na yan dahil diyan ka nila-line up ng ating Panginoon para paglakasin at pagyamuhin. Kasi yung power na yan, yung pain na yan, yung mga bagay na naranasan mo ay magsisilbing strength and power. Okay. So, let's see. Pag ibig sabihin, palalakasin ang iyong finances and of course, resource of income, ha? So, let's see what is additional messages about sa love life. So, this is a strength card, no? Confidence and maging matapang ka raw, ha? And there's the lovers, no? Ipaglaban mo. Na pagdating sa love life mo, this is something to observe. There's an indecision, no? Nahihirapan ka mag-decision but you need to let go with the Eight of Cups. So, there's a moving on or something a moving forward. Kailangan yung umalis dyan ng partner mo dun sa bahay ng biyanan mo or bahay na kinagagalawan mo. No? May traitor dyan, may sabotahe sa inyo. Additional messages. About naman tayo sa love reading pa rin to ha, for Mystic Love Oracle deck, for love life. No? So let's see what is additional messages. For additional messages, so there is a keeping secrets, no? May tinatago to. There's a lies, no? Nagsisinungaling pa rin sa person mo. There's a something, break up, no? Maaring tinapos mo na o kailangan mo ng pakawalan. No? Para maging matapang ka, there's a something lovers dito na maaring may taong para sa'yo talaga. May tinapos dito, and because there is a something fated meeting, important connection. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo makipag-usap dyan sa person mo. Kung talagang ipaglalaban ka niya, no, there's a something na mag-usap kayo or something na, kumbaga mag-settle kayo na, kailangan natin magbukod, kailangan natin magsarili. Ganon, no? Kumbaga kung hindi, kailangan na talagang hiwalay o maghiwalay, no, ng landasi. Kasi hindi pwedeng nasasaya ka pa rin ng magulang niya. Ganon. So, let's see. What is additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card? For Yin and Yang Oracle card, Jefferson 1. So, there's a triggers. No, nag-trigger din tong extended na to, nagbibigay komplikasyon. There's a surrender. Release. No, kailangan mo na makaalis at kailangan mo na pakawalan yan, ha? And there's a feminine. No, may babae talaga dito. There's an involvement. No, there's a third party involved. So, let's see what is additional messages about sa health, no? Sige nga, about sa health. About sa health. So, there's an information with the sun card, no? Purification, lilinisin ka, no? Kailangan mo detoxification, and there's a wheel of fortune, no? Magiging maganda na yung kalusugan mo dito. May detoxification ako naranasan. Marami kang toxic sa katawan na kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetables. I can hear pa messages for you. I can hear pa messages for you. And there's a forgiveness heal. So, kailangan mo rin magpatawad. And there's a second option na kailangan mo rin magpatingin, no, sa magagamit or specialista, medications. Kailangan mo i-clear out, no? Paglilinis, kailangan mo lang ng vitamins, ng gamot, no, na makakatulong sa'yo para alisin yung mga toxin mo sa katawan. So, let's see what is additional messages for synchronicities. For synchronicities, let's see. For synchronicities. And there's an artist. Now, there's a drama, guys. Na meron dito kung nag-artist-artistahan. There's a fortune. Now, there's a destiny to happen. Talaga nakalatag talaga yung mga bagay na mangyayari sa'yo. There's a wisdom. No, enlightenment. No, bibigyan linaw lahat ng mga bagay sa buhay mo. Additional messages for the magical fairy messages. For magical fairy messages, represent what? Practice, practice, practice. No, kailangan i-enhance mo yung abilities mo, yung kakayanan, kaalaman mo. And of course, there's a summer. No, ngayong summer season, lahat ng mga tanong mo sa buhay mo ay masasagot na. And there's a children's. No, there's a something, baka na-apektuhan yung mga anak nyo, no? Sa relationship nyo, kung ano nangyayari. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. Represent what? For an angel's answer, represent what? And there is something, perfect timing. So, this is the perfect timing for you. No, marunong ka din dapat kasing humindi at hindi ka dapat mapapayag ng basta-basta o ganun-ganun na lang. Within the next few weeks, no, sa mga susunod na linggo, may mga magaganap na pagbabago. Pagdating sa romance angels, no? Pagdating sa love life, eksena, dagdag kaalaman. And there is something na pay attention to the red flags, no? May red flag dito, mag-i attention ka, baka itong taon na tumamas boy, no? Or kung kailangan mo ng umalis dyan sa tao na yan kasi maaaring toxic yan or maaaring, di ba? There's something negative attractions. Siya pala yung nagbibigay kamalasan, siya pala yung nagbibigay ng negatibo. And there's something express your love, no? Ipakita mo yung totoong pagmamahal mo, no, sa mga anak mo or sa sarili mo. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. Angel's answer for an Archangel Michael messages. And make a commitment. So, kailangan mo mag-commit, ha? Pagdating sa love life and career, madami, ha? And there's a let go of fear. Now, kailangan mo labanan yung takot at pangamba mo. And there's a decide to be happy now. So, kailangan mo mag-decision, magiging masaya ka ngayon. And you forgive yourself, you done nothing wrong. Wala kang ginawang masama, no? Wala kang ginawang mali. Patawarin mo yung sarili mo. There's something eternal love, no? Makakatagpo ka ng tao magmamahal sa'yo, no? For long run. And there's something right about your thought and feelings, no? Basta, sundin mo yung nararamdaman mo, sundin mo yung sinasabi ng isip mo, sinasabi ng puso mo. Kasi kung hindi mo susundin niya, walang mangyayari. For chakra messages, so there's a growth, no? May ugat ng eksena. Dapat alam mo kung paano papalawakin at papalawigin ang kaalaman at of course ang iyong career or yung buhay. So this is a new phase, no? May humaharang kasi sa inyong dalawa eh. Kung hindi kayo nag-grow kasi merong umakad lang o maharang. And there's a completion. Wag mong hayaan mahuli ang lahat, ha? Wag mong hayaan tumanda ka dyan sa situation na yan. So let's see what is additional messages for the angel spirit. And there's a friendship, no? May kinalaman dito with your friends. And there's a success. No? Magsasuccess ka at the end of the time. It's either tutulong tong friend mo or there's something a third party with your friend. Let's see what is the Monsology. For Monsology, expect the powerful change, no? Mag-expect ka na mga magaganap na hindi mo ina-adya or hindi mo hindi mo ina-expect. And of course, there's nothing yet set in stone. So may mga bagay na hindi pa napapanahon. And you are good enough. Nasapat ka na raw, no? Ibig sabihin dito na hindi ikaw ang may problema, yung person mo, or yung family niya. And there's a belief that impossible, na maniwala ka sa mga imposible. Let's see what is the energy. For the energy, there's a happy family. At the end of the time, magiging masaya yung pamilya mo dito. And there is something rest and rejuvenate. So, kailangan mo ipahinga yan, ha? Masyado ka na i-stress sa mundong ginagalawan mo. There's the word card. There's a trouble. Na maaaring makakapag-ibang bansa ka. Maaaring nasa ibang bansa ka. Maaaring umuwi ka ng Pilipinas. Ganon. Additional messages with an angel spirit guides. Masyado itong makapit itong There's an inner truth na malalaman mo lahat ng mga bagay na dapat mong malaman para sa sarili mo. Para sinasabi na palawakin, paunladin mo yung sarili mo. There's a truth reveal. Na malalaman mo lahat ng mga bagay na hindi mo akalain dahil na, parang nalosyang ka, parang napag-iwanan ka ng panahon dito. And there's something flexibility. Na kailangan maging bukas ka sa mga posibilidad sa eksena mo ngayon. And because there's something obsidian by shielding. Protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo, ha? Parang ikaw yung lubos na naapektuhan dito, no? At yung pamilya mo. So let's see what is additional messages. And there's the children. See, pati yung mga anak mo talaga naapektuhan dito sa nangyari sa inyo. And there's a freedom, palawakin, no? Para sinasabi nito, makakalaya ka na, no? Sa lahat ng mga nangyari sa isa nakaraan, no? Na, kumbaga, nakulong ka sa sistemang mali. And there's an oracle card. Unti-unti mo nakikita na ngayong paglisan mo, ngayong pag-alis mo sa sitwasyon, at pag-alis mo dyan sa mundong ginagalawan mo with your siblings, no? With your mga anak mo, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na maaaring magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion dyan. Kasi sila ay napaka-toxic ng family ng person mo. And there's a karmic relationship. See, nasa karmic relationship kayo, kaya puno kayo ng komplikasyon. And there's something, wait, no, magantay ka kasi may mga bagay na ibibigay sa'yo ng ating pong may kapal. For Jesus' loving quote said, heal the sick that they're in and say unto them, the King of God is coming to you. So see, pagagalingin ka ng ating Panginoon sa mga karamdaman mo o mga pinagdaan mo sa buhay, huwag ka mag-alala, no? Iaangat ka niya mula dyan sa pagkalugmok na ginagalawan mo. So let's see what is the angel's number. Angel's number represent what? 000 for endless, limitless potential. Kala ko endless, limitless pala. So, there's a reset. No? Kailangan mong magkaroon ng reset, no? Parang kumawala ka sa mundong ginagalawan mo, parang ganon. Kailangan mong tapusin, no? Kumaga magpanibago ng eksena. It serves as a timely reminder that anything can be accomplished if you can dream it. There is no reason you can make it into reality. If something is in the possession of another person. It's also available to you, so try to remain calm. What's meant for you won't pass you by. Let go of tension, relax. So see, hindi mo kailangan matakot, hindi mo kailangan kumalma ka, no? At mag-isip ka kung paano mo sisimulan ng panibagong chapter ng buhay mo. So let's see what is the messages of life. The inner alchemist. So sinasabi dito, guys, like an alchemist, I possess all the power I need to build a life of joy and harmony. Today, through the positive thoughts, words, and deeds, I create my own light. I understand that I can use the inner magic of intention to transform myself. In the same way, an alchemist, I'll transform lead into gold. Today, I create happiness. So, ikaw yung magagawa ng bagay na ikaw unlad mo. Ikaw yung gagawa ng ikasasaya mo. So, kung mananatili ka sa sitwasyon mo at hindi ka mabangon, at hindi ka kakawala sa mundong ginagalawan mo, hindi magbabago ang sistema at hindi magbabago ang buhay mo at hindi magbabago ang magiging kinabukasan ng pamilya mo. So, ngayon pa lang, kailangan mong pakawalan, lumaya sa mundong pangit na ginagalawan. So, guys, this is a special gabay for the month of June 20 hanggang June 26 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawa pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, digdig na goma po na biyayang manong balik sa inyo at maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!